There may be some instances when you need to request more than one version of an ad. For this, you'll want to request a campaign. All orders in a campaign will be created by the same designer for consistency, and they're eligible for a discount. From the order menu, select New Order with multiple versions, or from the campaign menu, you can select New Campaign. Either one will take you to the campaign manager. Fill out the order form with the specs for your first job. Once you have that finished, you're going to click Duplicate Selected Order, and this makes a copy of the order you just created. And you're going to see it automatically adds a number 2 to your job number and also the Metro reference number. You can change the job number if you want it to be more specific. You can change it for any of the orders. Whichever order is highlighted in the table, that is the order that you'll be viewing the details of below. So for my first order, I want a photo of someone cuddling a dog. For the second order, I want the same ad, but in this one, I want a photo of someone with a cat. So make whatever changes are needed for the second order. If it's going to be a different size, if it's going to be black and white, make those changes. And you can duplicate it as many times as you need, depending on how many versions you need. If you're doing a web ad to go with your print ad, in that case, you don't necessarily want to duplicate it because the instructions might not be the same. So in those cases, I would do add order. And it still has the job number, the advertiser and everything, but you can switch it to digital and select your digital specs and put in the instructions that are specific for the digital ad. If you need to upload files, you can go to the Files tab. And again, upload as many files as you need. In the campaign manager, you're going to have the type menu just like you do in a normal order, but you also have a pull down menu for campaign/order. So you can use this to tell us which orders you need that particular file to be used in. So this logo, for example, it's going to be used in all of the ads. So I'm just going to leave that set to campaign. But if I were supplying the images of the dog and the cat, for example, I would upload the dog photo and assign that to order number 1. I would upload the cat photo and assign that to order number 2. So you can use that to let us know which files need to go with which orders. You can also just put notes in the notes field to specify. Once you have everything done, you're going to submit it just like you would any other job, and it's going to submit all of your orders together. When it comes time to make revisions and release your jobs, you will need to revise and release each order separately at that point. The designers know that these ads all go together because they all have the same Metro reference number except for the last number. If you want to search for all of your orders with a particular campaign, you can search for the first 3 sets of numbers. So if you put those right in the search field here, it's going to bring up all those orders that have those first 3 sets of numbers. If you already have a proof in progress and you need to create a campaign from an existing proof, find it in your order monitor and you can go to Edit and Order, and under Campaign, select New Campaign with Order. This is going to take you into the Campaign Manager. And again, you'll see the original order here. You can duplicate it to add more orders. Now, the one thing I would recommend, normally when you do a campaign all at once, all of the ads go to the designers at the same time. So everybody's on the same page with all the orders. In this case, the first order has already been done. These additional orders are coming through at a later time, possibly going to a different designer at that point. So in your instructions, always reference the original order number. So I would say, start with this Metro reference number and make these changes to it so that the designers have a point of reference for another order in that campaign. If you have questions or trouble with any part of the campaign procedure, reach out to Metro's client services team at 800-223-1600.